Daniel, do you feel it? Something magical is coming tonight.
Yes, this new year will be unforgettable.
Daniel, this party is going to look amazing! Only because we're helping together. Yeah! Everything smells so magical, Daniel. I can't wait to taste it all. Look at all these sparkling decorations. It's like magic is everywhere.
Daniel, it's almost midnight.
Yes, the new year is about to begin.
Daniel, the first snow of the evening is falling.
It's so beautiful, like magic in the air. Wow, the snow looks like tiny stars falling. I wish something magical would happen tonight.
Let's see if Emily notices my little surprise. Magic isn't real.
I wish something magical would happen tonight.
But something feels different about the snow under the moonlight.
Come on, let's go outside.
Just for a little while.
Okay, I'll follow.
Okay, but just for a few minutes. It's freezing out there.
All right, I'll follow.
It feels so magical out here.
Yes, the snow is beautiful tonight. Look, the snow glitters under the street lamp.
It's like the snow is sprinkled with magic.
It feels so peaceful tonight.
Yes, the whole world feels magical and calm.
Let's see what's out here.
The backyard looks magical tonight.
Daniel, look!
Something unusual is glowing over there.
Daniel, do you see it?
Yes, it's glowing over there.
Maybe it's just someone with a flashlight.
I have to see it. I'm going.
Wait, okay, I'll follow you.